My dear friends, on this National Teachers Day, we do more than celebrate your profession. We honor the sacred covenant you keep. We see beyond the classroom stage to the exhaustion and sacrifice, the uncompensated hours, the battle with scarce resources, and the deep, quiet fear of failing a struggling child. We acknowledge the weight you carry, yet this struggle illuminates your extraordinary commitment. Your life is defined not by ease, but by persistence. You show up daily because there is no greater calling than service to a mind. You are our moral compass, committed not just to curriculum, but to forging courage, integrity, and empathy in your souls. This unwavering dedication is the very seed of our national hope. Every lesson, every word of encouragement, every refusal to let a student give up is you actively creating the future. You don't just teach subjects, you forge the leaders and innovators who will solve tomorrow's crisis and determine our national destiny. Hold fast to this profound truth. The most powerful engine of national progress is the educated, compassionate heart of a child, and you are the ones who forge it. You are the heroes in the trenches, and the nation owes you a debt that can never be repaid. Thank you. Continue the fight and know this, because of you, the light of our future will be brighter.